of making some homemade mozzarella cheese out of fresh raw cow milk. So follow along and I'll show you what happens in the end and in the process of making this. Nothing like homemade. And stirred in vinegar, and that's the mozzarella cheese. Time to get the mozzarella out. I had to sit for 5 minutes with the vinegar. I'm going to try to get all of this liquid out of it, which is the whey, which is good for many things too. I am going to make ricotta cheese out of this that's left because there's still a lot of milk in it, and it makes amazing ricotta cheese because I try not to waste anything, because this raw milk is, I mean, it's hard to come by. I've been blessed to get some from a friend, so I am going to get this whey squeezed out. Have to squeeze out all of as much of the whey out of it as you can, and then have to stretch this back in hot liquid. I'm gonna pour this back in here. I'm going to try to get as much of that liquid out as you can. This is what we have left, and it is going to go back into this hot liquid until it gets up to 160 to 165 degrees. It is so hot. Whew. bowl. Now I'm going to heat this up to 185, which is right about there. So I'm going to add some vinegar, and I don't measure. And I'm making ricotta cheese. I'm going to put a couple of cloves in there. I'm going to give it a stir, make sure it's all incorporated. Now I will cover it and let the ricotta curds form. This is the ricotta cheese I made from the last batch, so that's what it'll look like. This is the mozzarella ball that I just made. So yummy!